Mastering steps to develop an effective return-to-work plan. Stakeholders will judge the organization's return-to-work plan by its cold, hard numbers. What key performance indicators, KPIs, will its stakeholders use to measure the overall success of their organization's return-to-work plan and ensure its effective implementation? When developing an effective return-to-work (RTW) plan, organizations must identify and track key performance indicators, KPIs, that measure its overall success and ensure effective implementation. These KPIs will vary depending on the organization, industry, and specific RTW plan goals. However, there are certain KPIs that are commonly used across various industries to evaluate the effectiveness of an RTW plan. The following are some of the key KPIs that stakeholders can use to measure the success of an RTW plan. 1. Return to work rate. This KPI measures the percentage of employees who return to work after an injury or illness within a specified time frame, such as 30, 60, or 90 days. A higher return to work rate indicates a more effective RTW plan. 2. Duration of absence. This KPI measures the average number of days an employee is absent from work due to an injury or illness. A shorter duration of absence indicates a more effective RTW plan. 3. Lost workdays. This KPI measures the total number of workdays lost due to employee absences. A lower number of lost workdays indicates a more effective RTW plan. 4. Medical return to work rate. This KPI measures the percentage of employees who return to work with medical restrictions or accommodations. A higher medical return to work rate indicates a more effective RTW plan. 5. Employee satisfaction. This KPI measures employee satisfaction with the RTW process, including communication, support, and accommodations provided during the return to work process. Higher employee satisfaction indicates a more effective RTW plan. 6. Supervisor/manager satisfaction. This KPI measures supervisor/manager satisfaction with the RTW process, including communication, support, and accommodations provided during the return-to-work process. Higher supervisor/manager satisfaction indicates a more effective RTW plan. 7. Healthcare provider satisfaction. This KPI measures healthcare provider satisfaction with the RTW process, including communication, support, and accommodations provided during the return-to-work process. Higher healthcare provider satisfaction indicates a more effective RTW plan. 8. Claims costs. This KPI measures the total cost of claims related to employee absences, including medical expenses, lost wages, and administrative costs. Lower claims costs indicate a more effective RTW plan. 9. Return to work plan completion rate. This KPI measures the percentage of RTW plans that are completed within a specified time frame, such as 30, 60, or 90 days. A higher return to work plan completion rate indicates a more effective RTW plan. 10. RTW plan engagement rate. This KPI measures the percentage of employees who actively engage with the RTW plan, including attending meetings, completing forms, and communicating with RTW team members. A higher RTW plan engagement rate indicates a more effective RTW plan. 11. Absence prevention rate. This KPI measures the percentage of preventable absences, such as those due to non-work-related injuries or illnesses. A lower absence prevention rate indicates a more effective RTW plan. 12. Modified duty assignments. This KPI measures the percentage of employees who are assigned modified duties during the return-to-work process. A higher percentage of modified duty assignments indicates a more effective RTW plan. 13. Employee retention rate. This KPI measures the percentage of employees who remain with the organization after returning to work. A higher employee retention rate indicates a more effective RTW plan. 14. RTW plan timeliness. This KPI measures the timeliness of RTW plan implementation, including the time from employee injury/illness to RTW plan development and implementation. Faster RTW plan implementation indicates a more effective RTW plan. 15. Stakeholder communication. This KPI measures the effectiveness of communication among RTW stakeholders, including employees, supervisors, healthcare providers, and insurance carriers. Effective stakeholder communication indicates a more effective RTW plan. To ensure effective implementation of the RTW plan, organizations must establish clear roles and responsibilities for RTW team members. Develop a comprehensive RTW policy that outlines procedures and expectations. Provide regular training and education for RTW team members. Communicate regularly with employees, supervisors, and healthcare providers. Monitor and track KPIs regularly to identify areas for improvement. Conduct regular review and revision of the RTW plan to ensure it remains effective and up-to-date. By tracking these KPIs and implementing an effective RTW plan, organizations can reduce the duration and cost of employee absences, improve employee satisfaction and engagement, and enhance overall operational excellence.